we're gonna be opening up some no toys, but actually it's a game and we're gonna be doing it together. We have 2 of them. Yeah, I know you guys liked it, so we recommend getting this from the Samko and Miko Toy Warehouse.
And I don't want to show you what
Unbox me, surprise, surprise. Collect 7 layers to win. LOL, surprise, surprise. 7 layers of fun, the game. What's inside? 1 surprise accessory, 3 exclusive accessories. So Sofia, are you excited?
Yeah, let's start opening.
And it's pretty cool.
God, it's really hard. Oh, there's tape, so.
I think you're supposed to use it for the game. So here is the game, and we're gonna get all the accessories.
No, you aren't. You aren't.
Where is the whole game set?
There's no.
Oh yeah, right here. In
Yeah.
the plastic wrapping. So I think
There's a spinner wheel. Let's go get my
they have
bubble.
balls everywhere, so.
Let's go, man. Help me get everything out. Okay, I got my stuff. I'm gonna take everything out.
So no, don't do that.
Why you took something out?
Because these are stuff. Oh, glitter bottle.
I would take them home. That's a big.
This is.
That is a circle. Oh my god. Why did you take this out?
It was already out. I don't know.
Wait. It says you have to put these stuff inside these bowls.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm taking them out.
Yeah, but first we need to play the game. But how? We only have 2 players and we already opened up 2 of them. So, you want to play yours or mine?
I want to play mine.
Sure.
I'm hiding them for you.
Yeah, you hide them. No, I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the same latte.
Latte. What are you doing, latte?
So I got the game characters out. Gosh, why is this so hard?
This is not the yeah.
Dang!
I got one out.
You're killing me.
Okay, I got one. Gotta put them in one of them. Gonna put it in this
Sophia, can you open this thing?
one. I have to.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. Sorry. I don't know. These are fake baby bottles. They're fake.
Oh, I got a common.
I got the 2 on this.
Did you get this one? Did you get this same one?
Yeah, on here.
So it looks like every time you open one of these, you get the same thing. Not that exciting. So in my next game, I'm gonna hide every one of them for Sophia. I'm gonna be hiding them all around the stage, and I'm gonna be putting them.
We're not even looking at that.
So I'm gonna be treating Sophia. I'm gonna be getting Sophia real bad, and Sophia won't even get what I'm gonna be putting inside. So Sophia, you're gonna get back. I'm gonna be putting the whole glitter set. Don't even look what I'm.
Don't even look what I'm doing.
I'm getting the whole glitter set. I don't even play or open LOL dolls, but still I have to do it though. So this goes here. unbox me. Intrigue me. Take a peek. Spin again. Start. I know what I'm gonna do. Gosh, so Sophia, are you seriously still working on it?
Yeah.
It's a mystery. So
I only have 2 more. Now I have only 1 more because I'm on my 2 more.
Is this the same one? Dang, I have the same one. So I got the whole set. Now mix it.
Here's the board away. I got a...
2.
No, I got a 5. Here's a trigger. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Surprise! You get to unbox this one.
I get to open up whatever I want.
No, it can't. No, it's a surprise. So open this one. So what do you got?
I got some pink shoes. Some of these black and white pink and that. And then I got a little phone and a t-shirt.
Phone shirt.
Then I got a bun and a thing.
This is so.
Then I got a bottle. That's all. So I leave my things over here so I keep that.
Okay, my turn. Oh! Ow! Ow! So you got secret message, water surprise, bottle, shoes, outfit, and accessory, and the doll.
I don't want to play with this. It's really
You have to. You have
No,
to.
I don't want to.
I'm gonna play it like that because you're not.
Okay, your turn.
Yeah, but I need to open this thing up, and I'm gonna use my plastic
I'm
knife.
not opening one.
Now I'm gonna open up this.
I thought you like a pass that comes with a big plastic bag.
It's my turn to take it. So I can take my.
I have to wait like 75 million hours.
Too many hours later, Sophia.
I'm not happy at you.
Some shoes. I got a phone, accessory,
Wait, can I?
and oh, golden bottle. But Sophia, you did something bad. Now I get to do another one
No, you don't.
because you already did a bottle. And then,
6.
oh, highest number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Unbox me.
I get some back fun.
Best friends. Dang!
So I got a girl,
Another girl?
a doll.
You're not supposed to do that. You're not allowed to do that. She absolutely cheated.
I don't know why I actually did dolls. Really?
So I think we'll end the video.
No, we
This
won't.
is bad. Okay, so we'll end the video.
Hey, we won't be.
Yeah, we have to end the video. So we'll do schedule to Pop Sophia. What are you playing?
I think it's a pop star 5
Oh, God.
and a pop star.
I think this is a 5. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.